Now let us consider a very general case of four bodies of different masses placed at the corners of a quadrilateral. After that, we will reduce it to a special case of a square, and we will also make all the four masses equal. After that, we will also keep a fifth body at the center of the square and consider the potential energies in all these cases. Suppose we have got a quadrilateral. Suppose it is present at some place where there is no gravitational field existing, no gravitational potential existing. At that place, suppose we have brought a body of mass m1 and placed it at one of the corners of this quadrilateral. Since there is no potential existing, no work is done. The work done in bringing the first body is 0. Now this body will produce potential here, here, here and everywhere. Suppose we brought the second body of mass m2 to this corner. When m2 is brought here, the distance between m1 and m2 is r12. m1 will produce a certain potential here. When m2 is placed there, work is done. The work done in bringing the second body is minus g m1 m2 by r12. Now suppose a third body of mass m3 is brought and kept at this corner. At this corner, there are already two potentials, one due to m1, another due to m2. So two works should be done in arranging the third body. For the potential due to m1, it is minus g m1 m3 divided by r13. This r13 is the distance between first and the third body. The distance between the second and the third body is r23. Two second body is also producing some potential there. For that also some work should be done. Minus g m2 m3 by r23. So to bring the first body, no work is done. To bring the second body, we have to do one work against one potential. To bring the third body, we have to do two works against two potentials. To bring the fourth body, when the fourth body is brought and placed at this corner, there is potential due to m1, some work should be done. Due to m2 also there is some potential. Due to m3 also there is some potential. The distance of m1 is r14. The work done here is minus g m1 m4 by r14. The distance of this corner for m2 is r24. So the work done is equal to minus g m2 m4 by r24. At this corner there is some potential due to m3 also. This distance is r34. The work done is equal to minus g m3 m4 by r34. So like this the total number of turns is 6. Now wait a minute here. To bring the first term, first body, no work is done. To bring the second body, we get one pair, so one term. To bring the third body, we get two pairs. So 2 work should be done. To bring the fourth body, there are 3 pairs. So we have to do work for all these 3 pairs. Overall, if you have got an arrangement of 4 bodies, there are 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 4 bodies will form 6 pairs. Every pair has its own potential energy. So the total potential energy is the sum of the potential energies of all these 6 pairs. In general, in a system of n bodies, there will be n into n minus 1 whole divided by 2 pairs formed. If you are asked to find the potential energy of a system of n bodies, then you have to find the energies of n into n minus 1 by 2 pairs. You have to add all those energies. If you have got a system of 3 bodies, how many pairs are there? 3 into 2 by 2, that is 3 pairs. If you have got a system of 4 bodies, 4 into 3 by 2, that is 6 pairs, that we have seen. If you have got a system of 5 bodies, 5 into 4 by 2, that is 10 pairs you will get. So here the total energy or total work done is total potential energy. So U is equal to minus G common M1 M2 by R12 plus M1 M3 by R13 plus M1 M4 by R14 plus M2 M3 by R23 plus M2 M4 by R24 plus M3 M4 by R34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the general formula to find the gravitational potential energy for a system of 4 bodies of different masses kept at the corners of a quadrilateral. Now let us convert it into a special case. Special case means the quadrilateral is supposed to be a square. If the quadrilateral is made a square of side D, then we have got R12 is equal to R23 is equal to R34 is equal to R14 is equal to D. R13 is equal to R24 is equal to root 2D. Let us further suppose that all the masses are equal. M1 is equal to, M2 is equal to, M3 is equal to, M4, suppose each is equal to M. Then the potential energy of the system, U is equal to minus G bracket M square by D plus M square by root 2D plus M square by D plus M square by D plus M square by root 2D plus M square by D. That means minus G M square by D bracket 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 by root 2, that is equal to root 2. So the total potential energy is minus 5.14 G m square by d. Sometimes you may be getting a very simple problem. Mass will be given, length of the side of the triangle square will be given. What is the initial potential energy may be asked, or if the length of the side, if the square is made bigger one, length of the side is doubled or made 3 times, what is the new potential energy may be asked, or what is the work done may be asked. To understand it in a better way, let us consider one simple numerical problem. So here we have got 4 bodies, each of mass 1 kg, placed at the corners of a square of side 1 meter. So now we have got 4 bodies, each of mass 1 kg, placed at the corners of a square of side 1 meter. What is the potential energy? The initial potential energy Ui is equal to minus G m square is 5. Ui is equal to minus 5.14 G m square by d, that is 1. So this is equal to minus 5.14 G joule. Suppose it is asked like this. The square is made bigger. The length of each side is made 2 meter. Now what is the final energy and what is the work done? If the length of each side is made 2 meter, this will be minus 5.14 G, mass is not changed, by distance is 2, so this is minus 2 to the 4, 1 remains, 11 to 5, 7 G joule. Suppose it is asked what is the work done? The work done, W is equal to final potential energy minus initial potential energy, that is minus 2.57 G minus of minus plus 5.14 G, that's equal to 2.57 G joule. One more thing. Let us add one more thing here. I hope you have followed up to this. Now in this problem of 4 bodies, each of mass m, placed at the corners of a square of side d. Let us come back to this problem. We have got 4 bodies, each of mass m, placed at the corners of a square of side d. Then the potential energy of this system U is equal to minus 5.14 G m square by d. If we consider a point at the center here the gravitational field is equal to 0. What about the gravitational potential? The gravitational potential at that point is due to the 4 bodies at the 4 corners. We know that the gravitational potential due to one body is given as minus G m by d, distance. Here distance is d by root 2. So that is minus root 2 gm by d. If we bring another fifth body and placed at the center of the square, the extra work done is equal to minus root 2 g m square by d. Now the total potential energy, you can call it delta U. The total potential energy is U is equal to minus of 5.14 plus root 2 1.414 bracket gm square by d. That is 5.14 plus 1.414, total is 4, 5, 5, 6. So this is minus 6.554 g m square by d. This is the potential energy when there are 5 bodies, 4 at the corners of a square and 1 at the center. Sometimes what will happen, it may be given like this. Already 4 bodies are present at the 4 corners of a square. How much work should be done to keep the 5th body at the center? That you already seen, minus root 2 here the total potential is due to 4 bodies. The potential due to 1 body V is equal to minus gm by d by root 2, but there are 4 bodies at the 4 corners, so the total potential at the center is minus 4 root 2 gm by d. If we bring a 5th body here of mass m, the extra work done in bringing the 5th body W5 is equal to minus 4 root 2 gm into m square by d. Then the total potential energy is the potential energy due to 4 bodies plus the potential energy due to the 5th body. The potential energy due to 4 bodies is minus gm square by d bracket 4 plus root 2. The work done due to the 5th body is minus gm square by d bracket 4 root 2. So the total energy is minus gm square by d bracket 4 plus 1.414 plus 1.414 into 4 5.656. And reading all this, you will get the answer. Or you can write it like this also. This is 4 plus root 2 plus 4 root 2. That can be 5 root 2. So it is minus g m square by d into 4 plus 5 root 2. 5 root 2 is 7.07 plus 4, it is 11.07. So this is equal to minus 11.07 g m square by d. If you add all this, you will get the same thing. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus this fraction, 0.414 plus 0.656. 0.414 plus 0.656, that is 0. This is 7, 0, 1. Already 10 we have got. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 10. So it is 11 minus 11.07 g m square by d. I hope it is clear to you.